Shit.
No, I'm recording this shit. I'm gonna record all this shit. World star.
Right, I want to see this shit.
Yo, look at all that fucking smoke, though, y'all.
Go, motherfucker. We want to see too. Go. You feel me?
Fuck yeah. Fucking building is torching. Whatever that is, it's torching. Damn, that shit look crazy. Niggas setting shit on fire. The fucking smoke cloud. What the fuck is that, y'all? Oh my god, that shit look crazy. Imagine a nigga getting burnt like that. I don't know.
Ask him what's that down there on fire.
Back up. Oh my god. Oh. Hey yo, damn, roll the window. Roll the windows up and shit. Roll the windows up. Shut the sunroof. Shut the sunroof. Damn. That shit blew the fuck up. I had a feeling something was gonna blow. Damn.
You felt the impact of that shit?
What? Did you feel it? Boy, I felt it.
Yo, what the fuck is my job number, yo? That shit crazy.
Damn. What the fuck was flaming?